Hello everybody, welcome back to another YouTube video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to hook up this professional amp and crossover and soundboard so you can actually get good sound from your amp. So let's get to it. Here's the back. The first thing you want to do is grab your XRL 1/4 inch, and you see how it says input right there? Well, there's two of them, so you're going to hook up your two XRLs to these inputs. I'm using mine for subwoofers, so I'm going to want the low output, which is right there. So I'm going to take my one XRL, plug it in there. Same with the other side, it's a 2-channel, 3-way crossover. You're going to take this end of the XRL and plug it into your power amp, which my inputs are somewhere right around here. So I'm going to plug that in. Come up here, plug the other side in. So that's your back all wired up, except for your speaker terminals. Positive, negative is negative. So we can turn this on. That's taken care of, and you just need these. Now it's over to your soundboard over here. Sorry, it's raining outside, so with your soundboard, what you're going to want to do is hook these into your main output. So this is what I recommend doing. So the right output of that, you just have all the right stuff of your crossover and amp on the right, and same thing with the left. And also do not forget to plug your amp in. So let's turn these on. That one's already on. See there? That's my first indicator light for it. It means that this soundboard is using as a line level preamp, which line level is somewhere around like 14 volts or something. So you cannot use this equipment